Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix slow responses in ChatGPT. If you're trying to ask ChatGPT a question and you're getting very slow replies, there are a few quick things you can do to fix this issue. Let's get right into it. Solution 1. Log out and log back in first. Click on your profile icon, select Log Out, and confirm by clicking Log Out again. Once you're logged out, click the Login button and sign back into your account. Sometimes, simply logging out and back in can immediately fix slow ChatGPT responses. Solution 2. Clear browser cookies and cache. If that didn't work, click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser. Scroll down and open Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Privacy and Security. Select Delete Browsing Data. Make sure cookies and other site data is checked. Change the time range to all time. Click Delete Data. Once that's done, return to ChatGPT and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 3. Check ChatGPT server status. If ChatGPT is still slow, open a new browser tab. Type ChatGPT server status and press Enter. Click the top result, which should be status.openai.com. Here, check whether all servers are fully operational. If there is scheduled maintenance or an outage, you'll need to wait until OpenAI resolves the issue. Solution 4. Use incognito mode. If everything looks operational, click the 3 vertical dots again. Select New Incognito window. Go to the ChatGPT website and try using ChatGPT from the incognito window. This can often fix issues caused by extensions, cookies, or cached data. And that's it.